One of the many ways that people make money online is through affiliate marketing, and it can be a pretty powerful source of income. So today we're going to talk about what it is and how to actually get started. Hi, I'm Taylor Gill, a remote work and travel coach, teaching remote professionals how to work anywhere and live everywhere. And today we are talking all about affiliate marketing and how to get started in it. So what is affiliate marketing? By definition, affiliate marketing is an arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external source for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. Or, I recommend something, you go visit it or purchase it, I get a commission. That's the basics of affiliate marketing. Basically, you are recommending a product or service to somebody else, and if they like it and they purchase it and they do what you tell them to, then you get a commission based off that. So there are 4 main types of affiliate marketing income. And the first one is pay per impression. This one's mainly related to ads and is really only good if you have high traffic on, say, like your website or something, that a lot of people are seeing it and clicking on that ad. Then there is pay per click, and this is where someone clicks on a specific link and they get taken to someone else's website, so you'll get paid for every link that is clicked. And then the third type is pay per action. And this is where someone not only clicks on your link, but then takes an additional action, such as purchasing the product. And this is really one of the best ones for the higher commission payouts. Pay per impression and pay per click are going to be pretty low payouts. It's going to require a lot of traffic, but pay per action can really pay off in huge ways, which we'll talk about a little bit later. And then the fourth option is actually 2-tier networks. So this is where you're actually creating more of like an affiliate network for a product. So not only do you use it and then sell it through your affiliate link, but then you can sign up people under you to also be affiliates. And so you'll get paid on 2 tiers, your tier as well as the people underneath you. And those last 2 I mentioned, the pay per action and the 2-tier network, are even better, not only for high volume tickets, because again, the payout can be a little bit higher, anywhere from like 15 to 50% for the final amount, with 30% being about average. But then on top of that, if you can find a product that is a ongoing subscription, for example, I'm an affiliate of ConvertKit, which is an email marketing platform. It is my platform of choice, and it's the one I recommend to others. But that is a monthly subscription. So each month I get paid on the people that I have referred, and there's no limit to that as long as they continue to be a customer. So not only are pay per actions and 2 tiers higher payouts, but then if you can get them on a recurring subscription, then that means you get recurring affiliate income. So generally how it works is you sign up through a platform or for the product or service directly. You're given a specific link that tracks to your account. Then you can place that link wherever you want for the most part. And then if someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, it is tracked back to you, and then that company will give you a commission. So that's just like the basics of how it works, but there's a lot of little extra details that are in there. So for example, that cookie tracker from your link, it usually has an expiration date. So it's not like someone clicks on the link and then 2 years later makes a purchase and you still get a payout from that. That's not how it works. Typically, that cookie tracker will only last 30 to 90 days, and in some cases even shorter. So you want to pay attention to that and keep track of that for whichever ones that you sign up for, so you know how quickly someone actually needs to make a purchase. The second thing to note is that payouts are not immediate. They're typically actually given out monthly, and they're not registered right away. So in case there's any customer complaints or refunds or something that's requested by them, you're not going to get payouts for that either. So there's usually just a little bit of delay from the link and the purchase to you actually getting the money in your bank account. And sometimes on those payouts, there might be a minimum threshold. So sometimes it can be like $20, which isn't too bad. Other times it might be $100. So you're gonna also need to know how the payout works and if there's a minimum threshold for you to actually receive your money as well. So some of the more common sites that people sign up for and use affiliate links for is Amazon. there's ShareASell, there's Awin, ClickBank, and Rakuten. There are a lot more out there, but those seem to be sort of like the main ones that people go to. So I think Amazon is pretty obvious, but once you become an Amazon affiliate, you can put a link up for literally any product on Amazon. You'll just want to check their commission structure, because depending on the category that product is in and things like that, it changes the commission payout. Now, the other sites I mentioned, like ShareASell and ClickBank, they are sites where you can go find different products. So a lot of companies host their affiliate networks in there, and you can go and apply through that. And all of your links and everything is kind of hosted through those sites. So that's a really great way if you don't really know where to start, join one of those platforms and just go see what the options are. And then on the flip side of that, you could actually just be an affiliate one-on-one with a company or a product if, again, that's what they offer. So for example, ConvertKit, they're not on any of those platforms. You actually apply directly through their website, and they manage their own affiliate program. You can also be an affiliate for online courses, or even maybe people's services that they offer. So I'm an affiliate for the VA Starter Kit, which is the virtual assistant course that I always recommend. It's the one I went through. It's the one I recommend to other people, but I do also get an affiliate payout if you actually go through my link. So that's a little bit about affiliate marketing. That's really just the basics of it. But how is it that you get started? So the first thing is to sign up. Find a product or a service that aligns with you and your brand and what you talk about and what you already offer. Maybe it's something that you talk about all the time already, and you always tell people about it because you love it so much and you didn't even know that they had an affiliate program. So just go Google whatever the product or service is, affiliate program, and usually it'll be the first thing that pops up if they have one. So guys, go sign up for that. Once there's usually an approval period, once that's done, then you'll get your own individual link. And then you can post that link wherever that you spend your time. So that could be on your website or your blog, that could be in your podcast, that could be on your YouTube channel, that could be you could send it out to your email list if you have an email list, and you can even post them on social media. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that you have to be very upfront and by government regulations to actually note when things are an affiliate link. So you'll notice that down in my YouTube description, I actually have a disclaimer that it includes affiliate links and what that means. So anywhere you post that, even on social media, you need to use the hashtags affiliate link or afflink, or really anywhere that you post a link, you have to state right there in that same area, and you can't hide it, that it is actually an affiliate link. And you may feel like that feels salesy or schemy, but it actually works in the opposite way. Is what I found is that people are really happy that you're being transparent and upfront about it. And really what it comes down to, it doesn't cost them any more to use your affiliate link. All it does is say kind of like a thank you for recommending this really awesome product or service that's going to benefit their life. And you just get a commission out of it. And so that's kind of their way of saying thank you for it. So most people are actually pretty okay with knowing that it's affiliate link. They're going to actually be happier that you're not trying to trick them. So that's it. That's the basics of what is affiliate marketing, as well as how to get started. And as a thank you to me, feel free to go ahead and peruse some of my links down in the description below. I only have links related to things I personally use and like, and anything related to online business and travel, because that is what I talk about. So if you are in the market for any of those things, go check it out. If you have any questions, be sure to leave comments. I am Traveling Taylor. If you like more videos like this, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next publication, and I will see you next week.